Hello everyone, my name is Faras Fadilah Pratikto and I'm from MA Al-Hikmah Cirebon. And today I'm very excited to present my poster entitled Culture in Code, Connecting Tradition and Technology Through Mathematics. Next. Mathematics is more than just numbers. It is cultural code, something that preserves our identity while at the same time embracing innovation. In this presentation, I want to show how mathematics becomes bridge between tradition and technology and how it empowers us to think critically and creatively. Next. Did you know that mathematics can be found both in ancient culture and in modern technology? For example, traditional Indonesian batik patterns can be explained using concepts of symmetry and fractals. Meanwhile, computer algorithms are actually based on the same logical system the ancient culture once used to count, tread, and measure. Next. Here we see batik kawung, the oval petal from a flower with rotational symmetry. If we rotate 90 degrees, it looks the same. It also has mirror symmetry along vertical and horizontal lines, and the pattern across the cloth with translational symmetry. And this is batik Megamendung. This cloth motif shows self-similarity. The large shapes are built from smaller, similar curves. This fractal-like repetition creates depth and rhythm in the pattern. And today, the same logic is applied in computer algorithms. Counting becomes data processing, trading becomes digital transaction depend on algorithms and encryption to keep transactions safe, and measuring becomes sensors and coding systems. So, from batik patterns to modern computers, mathematics has always been the code that connects tradition and technology. Next. Mathematics lives in culture. We can see mathematics in patterns, architecture, and traditions all around the world. Through ethnomathematics, we can see mathematics inside culture. Next. For example, in Africa, many villages are designed with fractal geometry, where the layout of houses repeats at different scales. Next. The Incan civilization in South America used kuipu, a system of knotted strings to count and thread record. This is a tool for fairness and organization. Next. And in Islamic art and architecture, we see endless geometric patterns that use symmetry to reflect harmony and balance with nature. These examples show that mathematics is already inside culture, guiding problem solving, fairness, and sustainability everywhere in the world. Next. Technology makes abstract mathematics real and tangible. With tools such as virtual reality and augmented reality, students can explore 3D shapes as if they are real objects. And with GeoGebra, they can move graphs and equations dynamically. So, learning becomes immersive and interactive. And if we look at daily life, the same method works in GPS navigation. GPS uses geometry and coordinates to guide us wherever we go. This shows how technology expands mathematical literacy in classroom and in daily life. Next. My poster ends with a call to action. Let's act for the future. A. Stand for Advanced Mathematical Literacy. C. Stand for Connecting Tradition and Technology with Mathematics. And D. Stand for Transform Society with Critical and Creative Thinking. This is how mathematics can empower us to shape a better tomorrow. Next. Now I will describe visual design of the poster. Okay, at the top we can see the big title, Culture in Code, with bright blue background and digital patterns that giving a modern and futuristic feel. There's also a cute robot symbolizing innovation and technology. Okay, on the left we can see a globe and batik patterns that representing to culture. On the right, we can see curious boy and chip of technology symbolize technology and coding. In center of poster, there is a student wearing VR glasses that connect tradition and technology through mathematics. And the left side, it is an explanation of mathematics in culture. On the right side, this is explanation of mathematics in technology. At the bottom, there are 3 boxes labeled A, C, and T, which stand advance, connect, and transform. And finally, there is a QR code for more information. So the visual help make the message clear and interesting for everyone. In conclusion, mathematics is not only a tool for calculation, it is a bridge between tradition and technology. By empowering mathematical literacy, we can preserve our culture while embracing innovation. And together, we can create a future where culture and technology grow hand in hand. And thank you very much for your nice attention, and goodbye!